Hi everyone. So in this session, I will be quickly introducing you to measure words. It won't be a very detailed session since I already do that in my classes, but just for you to practice it once. Um, Measure words are known as quantifiers or classifiers, which are placed between number and a noun to specify certain quantity of certain thing, certain object, whatever we are discussing about. Why they are important? For proper grammar, to indicate the characteristic, the type of or the shape of the product or the noun that we are talking about. For example, a word, for example, shoe, SHU, shoe. Shoe also means book. Shoe also means tree. Shoe also means to lose. Shoe might have different meanings. But when we are talking about a particular object, to be more specific and clear about what our context is, what we are discussing about, we usually put measure words. Let me discuss it this way with you. Um, One person. How do you say one person? Eager run. Eager run. But when you have to say one book, you will not use ga there, since ga is the most generalized and the most common measure word used. For book, we have a different measure word, which is pan, ipan, shoe, to specify that we are specifically talking about book or something that is binded by one side. Book, notebook, magazines, all these have the same measure word, which is pan, pan. For family members, we don't use ga. Ga is for general people, one person. But when we are describing how many family members do we have, we use ho. Ho. Ho basically means mouth. You see, the character of ho is this, which resembles a mouth in a way. So ho means when I say 我家有5口人, my family has 5 people. 5口人, I will not say 5个人. 5个人 will be grammatically incorrect. 5口人. Why do we use ko here? It often means I have, my family has 5 mouths to feed, in a sense, since this is the character of mouth. So we have 5 mouths to feed, or we have 5 people in our family. In that sense, this is used as a measure word for family members. 一家三口, one family, 3 people, or a family of 3. There are hundreds of measure words in this language. We will not discuss all. We will just be, doing a quick uh, go through of the important measure words which are usually used in daily language. G or K is the most common and versatile used measure word. So when there is no other specific measure word, then G is used there. So it is for general use. 一个人, 一个孩子, one child. 一个儿子, 一个女儿, one daughter, one son. I've highlighted the important ones in yellow, so I'm skipping to those. Pan is used for bound items. one book, one notebook. 一本书 张 used for flat, thin objects which have a flat surface. Paper, tickets, tables. 一张纸一张纸 Pei is used for cups or glasses. Pei itself means cup also. 杯子. But pei also plays a role as a measure word for signifying that 1 cup of water, 1 cup of 一杯茶, 1 cup of tea. 一杯咖啡, 1 cup of coffee. Liang is used for vehicles. 一辆车 cab, transport. We use liang as measure word there. Ping is used for bottles. When you are buying a bottle of something, you might want to use ping there for measure word to simplify, to say that you want a bottle of water. 一瓶水, 一瓶果汁, one bottle of juice. Okay. So that is how measure words play an important role in this language for better understanding of the word, for better specification of the type or characteristic of the noun you are talking about. This is a very important part of the spoken Chinese. That's all.